How to buy USDT or Tether with PayPal. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're gonna be using Paxful here. So I have created a new account with Paxful, so I'm not gonna verify this one, but basically I'm gonna show you the steps. Whether you're verified or not, it's gonna be the same thing. Now, head over here to the buy option, go ahead and click this one, and you should be redirected to this window right here, wherein you're gonna change the settings here at the side. Now, instead of Bitcoin, we're gonna choose Tether. Tether is USDT, and then for the payment methods, go ahead and click this one, and you have PayPal here as one of the option. So go ahead and do that one, and then for the amount, before you're going to decide, go ahead and click this one and choose the currency that you're going to be using this to. Say for example, you're going to be buying in US dollar, you can definitely click this one right here, and then type how much you'd like to do so, or you'd like to buy. Say for example 500 USD, you can click that one, and then for the offer location, go ahead and click this one and choose worldwide in order for you to get the most value. Now afterwards, you can go ahead and click here, find offers, and you should be able to see that this has been refreshed. Now, one thing that you're going to note here is this one right here. So you will see that this is an amount, right? Actually, if you're going to head over here to the information, you should be able to see what that is. So it says here that this offer is 1.96% below Tether's current market price. Now go ahead and try to check here. On the other hand, we have this one right here. It says that this is 15% above the Tether's current market price, and you should be able to see this here. Now, another thing, let's say for example, the first one, we're going to go ahead and click this one right here. All right, and then you can go ahead and basically confirm that everything is okay, and then go ahead and click start verification. So if you're going to do that one, you will have here all of the settings that you're going to be needing. Again, this is for your account, but if your account is clean, then you shouldn't be able to just get through this quickly. Now, if I were to go back, let's head over here. Just go ahead and confirm this one, and you should be good to go. And that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.